friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we're going to be learning how to draw Shadow the Hedgehog for beginners, and don't forget to pause the video to follow along at your own pace. So first let's get started right in the middle of our page coming down, and we're going to draw in an oval right in the center for the nose. Let's add in our highlight now. So on the top we're going to draw in a sideways oval this time. And then now we'll just go ahead and color in the rest of our nose black. Let's draw the mouth now. So we're going to come down and we're going to curve this line down, up, and we're going to arch that down slightly on the left. We'll replicate this on the right. So following that exact same pattern and width. Let's close this off underneath. Rounding the edge out, curving this over and through to the middle, just underneath the nose there. And then again on the right, rounding this out, pulling that over and through to the middle, blending that together. We're gonna add in a small frown line now. So coming down to the middle, stepping over, we're just gonna curve this line over and frowning that down to the right. Let's close off the shape of the head here. So on the left-hand side, we're gonna round this out, pulling that through to the top. We're going to line that up at the same height on the right, curving that around, pulling that through to the cheek. Now from here for the ear, we're going to curve this around and up to the top. We'll step across on the right, replicating that again, following that through, again, trying our best to end it at the same height on both sides. From this point now, let's drag this around and through to the center, replicating that on the right-hand side, ending that at the same height. Let's close off the middle here. So stepping up on this line, we're going to round this out, curving this over and into the middle. And now from the center line, we're just going to curve this back around and down on the right. Let's add in our details now. So coming up in the center for the bridge of the eye here, we're just going to curve this down, up, and tucking that in on the left. We'll replicate this on the right. So starting back on this line, curving this down, up, and then tucking that back down on the right. Now let's come down, framing in the eye. So we're going to step in on this line. We're just going to round the edge out, tucking that over and into the side. We'll replicate this on the right. Now from that point on the edge here, we're just going to curve this up and in to the top. Let's add in the pupil now. So stepping down on this line, we're going to draw in a nice big oval for the eye. We'll replicate that on the right. Moving into the middle again, let's replicate this shape, drawing in another nice big oval. And now finally for the highlight on the side, just drawing in a smaller oval. And then now let's just color in our pupil black. Let's add in some details above. So stepping over from the center, curving this across on the left, and then we'll replicate that on the right as well, arching that through. Let's add in the details inside the ear now. So stepping up, we're just going to curve this line through to the top. We'll replicate that on the right-hand side as well. Now on the bottom, let's round that out, following the shape on the outside. And then from that point on the top, we're just going to again curve this around and through, finishing that off. Let's add in the strip in the center here. So from that point, we're going to curve this around and up on the left. And then from that point on the right, curving this over and through. Let's add in the hair behind. So beside the ear, we're going to curve this up. We'll replicate that on the opposite side. From that point now, we're going to curve this down, following the side of the page, arching that in to the side of the head. Replicating this on the right-hand side as well. Let's follow through, moving underneath from the center here, curving this around and back up. And then now from that point, just curving this over and through to the chin. Replicating that on the opposite side as well. Now let's just add the stripe on the top. So basically starting from the edge, we're just going to curve this around, getting thicker as we come down to the bottom, so making that line wider. We'll do the same as well. So we're just going to tuck that into the corner of where the ear settles there. Now for this one, we're going to tuck it over to this corner. So we're going to start from that point on the top, arching this around, and we're just going to tuck that in to the side. And then we'll replicate that again on the right as well, tucking that back through. And that is it. That's how you draw Shadow the Hedgehog for beginners. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel. And also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.